this. I'm so proud of myself. I saw it. I didn't have heavy cream. I did it. I'm so smart and intelligent. I have heavy cream. Oh, thank God. What time is it? It's 8 something. I thought I forgot I'm wearing my bald cap because I'm gonna wear my wig today before my temporary assignment. But I thought I didn't have no heavy cream because I'm making the marry me pasta. This is my second time doing it. Oh my God, I was trying to learn this song when this freaking anime came out. This is one of the best anime ever. Oh, can I? I heard that was like a one-hit wonder song. I thought he made more songs than that. Oh my God, today's such a foggy day, as you can see, which I like it. Oh my God, this is I like walking. If I didn't have my temporary assignment today, not gonna lie, I wasn't gonna walk. It's kind of chilly, but this is I like walking that when it's this deeply foggy. So look at that car. It is a car. Am I supposed to stop or go? Oh my fucking God, you guys. It's snowing. I just took my hair out. I washed my wig. And I was like, let me go. Because they said it was going to snow at 10 o'clock. Okay, no, wait. Okay, they said it was going to snow at 4. But they said it's a blizzard storm, like a snowstorm that's happening at 10 p.m. So I thought that they switched the date. So, yeah, I'm about to go out. I need to buy some few groceries. I'm taking the back way because the fuck am I doing speed on the highway when it's snowing? Not more. These people suck at driving over here. Oh, guess what? Oh my God, I suck at hiding secrets. I'm gonna be babysitting 2 dogs soon. I'm so excited. I think one is gonna be like it's not one that's gonna be it's not I think. One is gonna be a German Shepherd, and I think the other one is like a pit bull mix. Like every fucking dog is like mixed with a pit bull. It's like pit bull are like the black people of dog. Like everybody's mixed with them. I should just wear this. Yeah, I'm just gonna wear my coat. To be honest, I stink. I need to go take a shower. I have to wash my hair, so. Oh my God. Woo. Oh my God, look at my face. I'm so irritated with myself. Like I kept going in and out of my unit, my apartment. The fuck? I keep forgetting stuff. I'm like, what? I'm just, because I hate when it snow, I don't like bringing wet snow in my apartment. I hate that shit though. So that's one thing I'm excited for this nonsense to be over. I really do like the snow though, but I'm just excited for this to be over. Well, yes. Okay, I'm gonna try this. I keep buying random stuff for no reason. I don't know what this is, but I'm picking it up. No. Okay, there's only one left. Holy baguette. I don't know people like eggs like that. Like, I waste so much egg. But I don't need this much egg. I need like small. I need small, like small. What am I trying to say? Small egg containers, if that's the word. Yeah, I knew like Whole Foods, like their produce. Look, the small containers egg. I knew that the produce was like out, but like I'm like, okay, maybe that's Whole Foods. But now here it's like everything. Like there's no yogurt. Like what's going on? Is it because there's a blizzard? Okay, this is good. That's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eggs. Still too much for me. I just need them to start selling like four eggs for people like me who don't like egg, but you only eat egg with certain type of food. I have a question. Have you guys realized I love that everything is empty? Is it because there's a blizzard going on? Yeah, okay, I'm new 2 minutes, so I just need to know if I need to be panicking or not. Buy all your stuff and then hunker down. Okay, I just need to know. I was like, should I be panicking? I thought it was like down south thing that we do. Thank you guys so much. You have a good day. So, do you see how like pitch cocaine white out outside is? They said it's gonna be like 6 inches of snow. No, 6 inches of snow today, and it might be 14 to 16 inches of snow legit outside. They said like 6 to 8 inches of snow. Oh my god, my hand is so numb, and I hit it and it hurts so bad. I should not be speeding while not seeing, so I just need to be careful. Like, it's not that serious. No one is gonna be there, so there's no point of racing. If I see someone there, I'll be so pissed. Because you're not chaotic like me. Like, you should not be here. No one is there. The question is it open? Oh, thank God they cleared this part with the snow. Yeah, God wanted me, the universe wanted me to do my laundry today. I'm so happy that it was open. These people in Minnesota are so fucking dirty. These people, they just maybe I shouldn't say that. Humans in general are so freaking dirty. Like, they just left the place like a mess. Like, they put a cart back where it belongs. Like, I do not like people who know what they're supposed to do and not do it. Like, I've realized like the cleanliness of down south and up north is totally different. Isn't it like, it's so romantic how the snow is just like falling? my god, this is... I just realized they took the tree that was here. Oh my god, we're gonna get killed by Mother Nature. Like, why did they take the tree from here? Like, that is so... that pissed me off. I didn't know what to eat today, so I'm making like tteokbokki. And because I made pasta for my meal prep, the pasta I did. Did you know I forgot it in their freaking microwave and it went bad? I've been having such strange... I don't know what to eat, even though my refrigerator is stocked up. I got 2 eggs. I'm not really a fan of egg, but like with tteokbokki, it's pretty good. Good God Almighty! Oh my God, becoming messy. Oh my God, you work with me. Look at it! Look at it! Look at it! I'm ugly and I'm proud. Oh my God! Look at this here. Oh, it's okay. Oh my God, this is so stupid. Anyway, to be honest, I seriously don't know what to eat, even though it seems like I do know what I'm eating. But I came from work. It's hot. I fucking oopsie daisy, I should have been using the word work. But I came from my temporary assignment and I'm eating this now. I kind of wanted to eat my pasta, but it went bad.
She was a fairy.
I'm so... like, I'm actually losing the enjoyment of food, and I'm trying my best to make it fun again.